Over 500 hours of content are uploaded to YouTube every minute. That's a mind-blowing amount of video, you guys, including me, because every day I do, can I say every day I do record and upload a video or two videos, which are around 20 to 30 minutes. Now imagine that. And it raises an important question to you and me. Have we ever wondered, why do I come every day? Okay, let's not talk about me. Have you ever wondered why so many people are becoming YouTubers? As I told you recently in one of our videos, the moment you get a stone and throw it to 10 families, two YouTubers are there. So what does that show you? What is it about YouTube that draws people in and transforms their lives? YouTube is one of the things that has made people be millionaires. By the way, they have gotten passive income. They are seated in the comfort of their homes and making money. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you three life-changing perks of a YouTuber, in particular me. What have I really gained from YouTube? Stick with me as I dive into the benefits, as I dive into the amazing things that this YouTube has done for me. Please remain with me till the end of this video. I just might convince you to start your journey today with YouTube. This video was prompted by one of the sisters or one of the fan that said she would love to be a YouTuber, but the only problem she has is to be in front of a camera for some time. And this one I remember I said, the moment you get some money out of it, you will forget about being shy or about being not comfortable with the camera. As we dive into this video, I would love to say thank you to every supporter. Thank you to you guys. Thank you, our new family members. Please, I heart you. I love you so much. Immaculate Show is focused mainly on changing our lives by letting you know that there is no success without you investing in your time. There is no success without you monetizing your mind. The moment you monetize your mind, that handset you have in your hands will be monetized immediately. Let's dive in. The life of a YouTuber might seem glamorous from the outside of the story when you're looking them outside, but there is more to it than just being in front of a camera. It's not about a camera, it's not about the gadget, it's not about the English and whatever they are doing. There's more that you need to know today. Whether you're thinking of starting a channel or you're right on YouTube journey, understanding the true perks, understanding the true benefits can make a world difference to you and even to somebody outside there. I always tell my students, I don't want you to say I want to be a YouTuber because Christine says it's good. I want to be a YouTuber because there is money. No. Today's topic is about the life-changing advantages, you guys, that come along as being a content creator as far as YouTube is concerned. They are just surface level perks. These are reasons so many people are turning their passions for content creation into a lifestyle. If you're aspiring to be a creator or someone curious about YouTube, this conversation, I call it conversation, I don't even call it, how do I call it? This conversation you don't want to miss right now. Come near, let's talk about it. You guys, let's talk about it. But before I dive into the advantages and the benefits we have gained from there, I'm just 3 years there, but the benefits we've gained from there, other people have gained from there. Let me clear the misconception as far as YouTubers is concerned. Let us clear up this few misconceptions. Many people think YouTube is just a hobby or that success is only for the lucky few. No, the truth is becoming a YouTuber offers ways more than just the chance to go viral or gain fame. It's a platform that can completely change your life if you approach it with the right mindset. I tell people, don't have that the mindset of running towards the views, running towards being known behind there. But I want you to know that I'm going this, I'm going in there. It's now becoming my lifestyle. And know this, you guys, you don't need 1 million subscribers. I've talked to you about this several times. You don't need 1 million of subscribers, 1 million of views, 1 million of what for you to be really a person who will come in front of the camera and people tell them what YouTube has done. YouTube is a great platform to be on. This video is mind blowing, you guys. You don't need fancy equipment, just tripping the rewards. So let's get into the three life changing, I call them three life changing facts of being a YouTuber. The first one, it has given me creative freedom, you guys. Creative freedom, and even to other people that I've talked to, I've seen. First up, creative freedom. As a YouTuber, I have the power. You have the power to create content on any topic that excites you or that you hate. Because when you hate something, sometimes you preach against it. You can express yourself in ways that might not be possible in traditional jobs. Whether you're passionate about travel, you're passionate about storytelling, you're passionate about food cooking, you're passionate about YouTube, anything on YouTube, YouTube gives you a platform to turn your ideas into reality. There are things that sometimes when we're at workplace on these traditional jobs, you want to express yourself, you have what it takes, but because you are not in that position, you don't. But this is YouTube that has given us a platform. I remember when I first started this channel, you people, as Immaculate Show, it was so liberating to know that I could create whatever I wanted. However, there are some people that did not take it in because by then they were still in traditional ways. Some others, even when it was like give and take system. If you don't do this, I will remove. But they didn't know me. I was just going into my journey of being liberated. You guys, I wasn't limited by anyone else's vision, you get, or agenda. This was my vision. If I felt like diving deep into any topic, switching gears the next day, I could. And the creative freedom has been a game changer for me. You people are being relaxed. Most people are relaxing. You're in bed, you're in a bathroom, and the idea comes. No one will stop you. You run for it. Let's see, guys. This spark is especially variable for anyone who feels stiffed in their day-to-day life. On YouTube, you control the narrative, your voice, your ideas, and even the message you entirely your own. Come on, this is the freedom that everybody wants. I remember those days that when my freedom was put down, when my freedom was brought down, when I wanted to do something, and most people would say, no, you can't do this because you're like this. You can't do this because you're above this age. You can't do this. Oh my God. But I thank God this is freedom at long last. So if you want to jump in, here your second fact that I've really gained. I've really gained community building. I know most of you that are there and listening to me and you're a YouTuber, I really know that you confirm to me. I want you to go to the comment section and confirm it to me. The second life-changing fact is this community building. I've gotten friends. As a YouTuber, you're not just creating videos, creating posts and contents. You're building a community of like-minded people. Whether it's a small one, I don't care. Whether it is just Tick Night group or massive audience, these people they share interests, they support your content and often inspire you to keep going. Me, I've been inspired by people. Sometimes even when I don't want to do anything on a day, I'm like, what about my community? They are there waiting for me. There are people I inspire and they look up to me. You guys, can I talk a lot? I have communities, a communities that have pushed me, the communities that we have dined together because of this YouTube. So I can never talk less about YouTube. Many YouTubers say that their community is like a second family, and indeed it is true. My community is the second family. And I completely agree. Whether you start engaging with your audience, answering their comments, and even collaborating with them, you realize just how powerful this platform is. Let's go direct to the last one, which is the best. Its potential in financial independence. Do you know every 21st, I'm waiting for my payments apart from my regular payments? And lastly, one of the biggest challenging perks, potential financial independence. Yes, I'm now on a roll. I'm now on a competition with myself to make how much do I want to make in a day, in a month, in a year. This is what am I. And while it may take time, the earning potential is incredible. With the revenue, sponsorship, merchandising, and many more, you guys, YouTube can be an opener and open doors for you to the new world and even to the financial opportunities. What do you want me to say, you guys? Can I tell you, for many YouTubers, this platform has provided the chance to escape the traditional 9 to 5 jobs. Yes, you had me right. I've personally seen how my channel has opened doors at new opportunities. These things have really changed. The things I never imagined when I first started out. When I was that little girl, and when I say little, I don't mean in size, I don't mean in age, but I mean how the public looked at me. There are some individuals, close friends, people in my community who like, no, she can't do it. It's like I cannot do it. But guess what? I did it and I'm still doing it. Whether it's extra income on the side or just full time, I love it so much. Me, I've used it as my side income, but which is almost covering to be and even is almost challenging my real income. YouTube has the potential to change my life and even your life for financial purposes. The best part is you people here. I want you to listen to me carefully. You don't need to have millions of subscribers to really start earning. There are YouTubers with small subscribers like me, but I can sometimes score 2,000 US dollars. I can score 500 US dollars. I can score 200 US dollars. What about that? There are YouTubers with small but dedicated audiences who are making a full time income from their channels. It's about consistency, it's about value. What are you giving to the people? Are you adding value? Are you solving a need? And building relationship with your audience. One of the most, you guys, let me tell you how it has impacted me. One of the most impactful moments I had as a YouTuber was when I realized I was in control of my growth. When I started seeing my how my content resonated with viewers, it really clicked to me. For me, this isn't just about posting videos, it's about sharing ideas, about connecting with people and potentially transforming the lives of some individuals out there. They are waiting for you to talk to them, including even my own life. Can I tell you something? As a YouTuber, I came to see that I can stand and control my life. I always say, I want to make this amount of money on a daily basis, and I do it. The freedom, the community, the financial independence, these are not just hints, they are not just benefits, they are reasons to keep me pushing and even you forward. Even when things get tough, yeah, things can get tough sometimes, but we keep moving. So let me tell you something. As I told you, creative freedom, as I told you, community building, I told you about potential financial independence. These are major three things that have really changed my life as a YouTuber. If ever been on the fence somewhere about starting a YouTube channel, now is your time. Sincerely, it is your time to take the leap. These perks, these benefits I've given you today can completely transform your life, just as they have transformed to the thousands of creators out there, including myself. What do we talk about, you guys? Do you feel like you want to join us? Do you feel, are you there? Yeah, I said, are you there? And you feel like you want to be part of 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 YouTube? You're very free, guys. There are more advantage in being a YouTuber than seated at home, than that job that you have. Thank you very much. See you in another video.